We're going to Mexico right now. We're gonna do some pulls to show you what happens before the transmission tune and like how it shifts and how there's a lag. And then we're gonna show you after the transmission tune and how that shifts at 25. All right, go. We're doing a pull at 25. We're showing you how the transmission lags right here. All right, good. All right, so now we're gonna go back and we're gonna go, actually all we need is just pull over somewhere. We got portable batteries, so we can just tune it on the road and stay tuned. All right, so we're tuning this yet again. I bet. Watch out for that one. Shit, that thing went hella fast.
The band goes longer, huh?
Yeah, you felt it?
Yeah.
You felt it just like whole ass all the way? That's so crazy, huh? Alright, go. We're doing a pull at 25. We're showing you how the transmission lags. Right here. Alright, good. Alright, so transmission tune's well worth it. You're gonna see in the videos how the RPM band goes all the way down to like 7,200 and it doesn't lag as much as it did before. I also have a clip of the exhaust and how it sounds
so
differently.
You can compare the sounds side by side and you'll see.
Yeah, it's gonna go hard. You'll see the sounds. Man, this thing keeps freaking fast.
Is it actually faster? Right?
Yeah,
I feel that the gears, so before it would shift hella quick and go through like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. But now it'll say like 1, 2, 3.
Isn't that worse?
No, the gears are longer shift, so he's able to get more torque at lower RPMs. So like first gear, if he goes like 7,000, he's able to like hit that. So whenever like you're racing someone or you're doing a pull, your car is gonna have more torque. So it's at longer gears is better, so it can have more torque. You know what it is? Rate, comment, subscribe. Get this thing in damn focus again. Rate, comment, subscribe. You know, share the video.